This Size Matters, something na we were dreaming of pa elementary days pa lang kami. My dad talaga was the one who inspired me to put up my own business. My dad was setting up a business, something that my dad can call his own business, and then he can pass on to us. Sadly, he passed away before it materialized. That inspired me to dream big. My wife started making sausages, and then we thought, why not try yung sausages, gawin kaya nating burger. So dun kami actually nag-start. It's the first flame-grilled sausage burgers in the country. Sobrang hirap talaga when you start. For us, it was keeping our communication line open. What helped us was Globe My Business Internet. It comes with free landline. You can call unlimited to any Globe or TM number. So I can coordinate with the store directly. If you can communicate at a cheaper price, why not do it? Eh, di ba you're in the business eh? Whatever savings na you can get is a very big thing. And then, it has fast internet, so that way I can talk to my consumers, whether Facebook or other sites. Siyempre, we see a review, tapos 5 stars. Sobrang saya na kami nun. A good review lang is very, very fulfilling. It's that fulfillment na my customers are happy. We started sa UST 5 square. Maliit lang talaga siya. Now we expanded to 4 branches. Now na I have what I can call my own business. I can say na, Dad, ito yung business natin. I think now, if he's looking down, he's gonna be happy. Malamang he's eating here every day kung nandito pa siya ngayon.